friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. In previous video, we see that how to create a new project. So today we are going to learn how to create a new page and how to add control in that page. So let's begin. So this was the project we have created in previous video. So what I will do, as I have selected file layout, so it already added this page, but we will add new page. Right click on view or any folder, give a specific name which will be understandable, then select a content page. Okay, uh, and give a name as my first page. So this is the content page which will display the UI on your mobile. So if you want to show any page, then this content page should be used. Okay, we will go through this one by one later, but first of all we see how to add a control. Okay, this is a content page. uh, Means this is a classes which hold a page, which page will show only one view at a time. Okay? It doesn't hold a multiple view, it only hold up only one view, means it will hold only one control. Okay, and this have a this content page. This content means this content will hold the control. So the this content page have a property content where we have to add a control that will be visible or this design on the UI page. Suppose I want to add a label. Okay, my first label. Okay, so this content page will display only the label, and if I want to add another control like entry, means text box. Okay, and placeholder is value. Okay, see it is showing a error because you can see error. The property content is set more than once, means as I said earlier, the content will hold only one control at a time. So we can place only we can use only one control. We cannot add another control. So if what to do if we want to add multiple control? So there are many layout are there, means you can also say as a view. For example, absolute layout. Another is grid. Okay, another is stack layout. This is third one. Fourth one we can say relative layout. Okay, and another scroll view, and another is I think this view. Okay, and table view. Okay, these are the four. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7. There are 7 layout where we can use to hold a multiple control, but all the controls have different rules. uh, for example, grid will show table and row uh, type design. Stack layout will show control as in a stack in horizontal way or vertical way. So all these control have a different use a different way to show the control. So so you have to use this one of these control to add a multiple to display a multiple control on the page. So first of all, I will take a stack layout. Okay, here I can add multiple labels. Okay, and here I am adding entry. So it will allow to add multiple control. See, so it is not throwing in any error. So uh, uh, we have added this control at the design time. Okay, now we will add how control from the code behind time. So I will remove this. I will also remove this. Otherwise it will throw error. Click on the CS file. So here you can add content is equal to new. The If you want to add only one control, then use directly label. Okay, then here property is equal to my first label. Okay, but here you cannot add another label, another control. You can add only one control at a time, as I shown in design, UI design in XAML page. Okay. Now if I want to add a stack layout, write this one. You can add like this. So content is equal to new stack layout. Stack layout has a property called children. So children is a list of controls. So you can see I list of view. Okay. So these are the view. So in I list of view, we can add a multiple control. Okay. Now I have added a label and another I have added the entry box. So in this way you can add controls through a code behind, but generally uh, if it is uh, suggest to use suggest to design in the XAML page because it is very readable. You can see in the one line I can see and I can uh, design very easily, but in the CS file if the design is very complex, then it will very hard to find the bugs and to design it. So I suggest you to design UI in the XAML page. So if this is very complex, then why Xamarin has given this facility in the CS file? Because uh, it is you can use if design is not complex for 2 or 3 controls, but if you want to add a dynamically any control to the UI, you can add through the code behind file. So this is the advantage for the code behind file to add a control from it. Okay, so you can also find these things in my blog. I have created a tutorial. Here, so you can go through this. I have explained each and everything here. If you didn't understand anything, then please ask me question in the comment section, and please like this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.